Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming which email address you originally used for Supercell ID and check its inbox and spam folder for any login links. On the game, sign-in screen choose Forgot Password and request a new Supercell ID email link. Follow the link on the same device and browser where you usually play. If you signed in on more than one email or device, try each one and check email aliases, corporate accounts, and family addresses before escalating to support. If email recovery fails, prepare a proof packet for Supercell support. Include your player tag, exact clan name and clan level, and at least 3 distinct proofs such as Google Play or App Store receipts, transaction ID, or payment card last 4 digits and dates. Also note your in-game player level, trophy range or arena, last login date, and the device type and OS version you used. Screenshots of your profile and receipt speed verification, and increase success. Open help and support from within Clash Royale if you still can access the game on any device, or use the official support form and attach your proofs, receipts, player tag, clan info, and device details. Explain the issue clearly, request Supercell ID recovery, and state any email changes. Expect a response in 48-72 hours, though complex cases can take longer. Never share passwords or verification codes on social media or with unofficial agents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.